Hello guys, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Tech World. I am pawan, tharindu attygalle. Let's see how to recover permanently hacked Google and YouTube accounts. This video is for all of you, but especially the person who haven't any of method to recover their accounts, and also the persons who got hacked and then hacker changed everything of the account, including their username, password, recovery mail, recovery phone, and then he added his recovery details including his phone number, his email address, and he created new 8-digit login codes, and also he added Google Authenticator application to your account. Then you don't have any of ways to log in back to your account. So this video is for these guys who don't have any of ways to log in their Google account. Let's see fight against hackers. This is Virtual Tech World YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe us. Here you can see I have also suffered that problem. I have got hacked by someone, so he done these things to my account. He changed the password of the account. He removed my recovery phone and recovery mail. He added new mail and phone number to my account. He turns off my security verifications, and he turns on two-step verification to his phone number and his email address, and he added Google Authenticator, and also he created new 8-digit login codes. Finally, he did very bad thing to my mobile. He request for a remote erase request, so my phone was formatted. I hate it. Here you can see when I try to log into my account, then it says my password is changed from hours ago, days ago, likewise. Then when I'm going to reset my password, they are asking me to about the hacker's phone number, and again they asking, when I click on try another way, again they asking hackers Google Authenticator application. Then it asking me about the hacker created 8-digit login codes. I don't know about that login codes because he has that login codes. I don't have them. So he changed my old phone number, and it not support anymore to recover my account. Finally, Google think that account is not belongs to me. I don't have any of ways to recover that account, but this video will help you all to recover your account. So when it came to here, some of times hackers are hacking your Google account using your PC. They are acting as you when you are not working on your PC, or while working on your PC they maybe have access to your account, and they can change everything of the account using some of softwares which you have already installed to your PC, cracks and patches. These are the problems. So some of times if they change everything of the account, they can't logging out from your PC. If you have a logged device, just try to reset your password without logging out. Most of times hackers doesn't have any of ways to log in out from your PC. So you can try to remove these hackers details and hackers mobile phone numbers from your account. Then Google will recognize you have a problem with two-step verification, then Google asks you to wait until 48 hours. You will receive a mail mentioning you have a critical security issue, so you need to wait until 48 hours. Google will identify you have a issue with your two-step verification and they will remove it. If they willing to remove two-step verification from your account, they will send you a mail asking for wait about 48 hours. If you if you did not receive that mail, you need to check the spam folder of your Gmail account. Here's the spam folder of your Gmail account. Go to your Gmail account and click more. In here you can find spam folder. Here you can see I didn't have any of spam messages because I have just created that mail for make this video. So after 48 hours or within 48 hours you can receive this mail address, which they will tell you they have removed the Google Authenticator and other recovery securing methods from your account. You can sign in and change password of your account from here. If you were able to recover your account from using these steps, you need to skip this video to last options and see how to secure your account. So let's move to my next option. So here is the things which we are going to talk in this video. Things you can do when you realize your Gmail account or YouTube account got hacked. My second topic is it possible to recover your Google account when you don't have any way to sign into that account. My third topic is how to contact Google, how to get a reply from them. My fourth topic is how to answer the question which may asked by the Google. My last topic is how to secure your Google account when after recovering your account. So these are the topics which we are going to talk about in this video. So let's continue our video. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe and turn on notification alert. Okay friends, let's move on to my first topic. So in this topic we are going to talk about things you need to do when you realize your Gmail list got hacked. So when it came to here, you can see you have most of the users are saving their password into your Google account. It's too easy when you are going to log into most of sites like eBay, AliExpress, PayPal or Coinbase. It's too easy to log in when you saving the password of that accounts to your Google account. But the problem is that now your Google account is owned to another person. He may have access of these accounts from using your Gmail account. So first thing, you need to call your bank and you need to ask them about cancelling your card, because your money will be in a great danger. So you need to find the contacts number which mentioned in the card. Every Master or Visa card they added a contact number outside backside of the card, so you can contact your bank from that contact number and ask them to hold the card until you get a new one. So next thing is you need to open your favorite web browser which you use to log into your account. Then click here. In my case I am using Microsoft web browser. So I can go to settings from of that web browser from here. Then you need to click password. If you are using Google Chrome web browser, you can also find this settings. Here you can see I have saved my Google account password here. Likewise, you can see there maybe have lots of accounts which you have already saved your password in your web browser. You need to log in to these account sites one by one and change the password of as the necessary. So likewise, if you have password of your PayPal account, you need to change the password of that account. If you have password of save the password of Coinbase account, you need to change the password of your Coinbase account. Likewise, so you need to remove or change all passwords from that accounts from login to them. That's the second one. After disabling your card, first thing is you must disable your cards. Then you need to change the passwords of accounts which you created in eBay, AliExpress, PayPal or Coinbase. Then you need to check out your PC. If you have installed any of cracked or patched softwares of your PC, then there must be a problem of getting attacked by someone. So you can open your control panel from searching here. Here is your control panel. Then click on it and go to uninstall program options. Then you can click on this installation date. Then you can see the application with latestly you installed. You need to uninstall all the cracked and patched softwares from here. And also then you need, if you have installed Windows 8.0 or upper device, you can click Control Shift and S key, then open your task manager, then go to start up application, and you need to disable unauthorized applications from here. You can disable this application like this. If you have Windows 7.0 or lower version PC, you can click your start key and R on your keyboard, then type this command here, msconfig, then press OK. Then you can remove all the startup programs and happily then press OK. Now after exiting of this program, they will ask you to restart your PC or not. Likewise, you need to give an option as you wish, and also you need to check scheduled program. You can search task scheduler and open that application. Then click here. Now you can see there are so many tasks which your PC doing without your permission. You need to remove these tasks. You can disable or delete them. I'm going to delete this task. Likewise, you can check out your, you can do a simply check security check of your PC. Likewise, then you can enable, if you have last version of Windows 10, you can enable you can enable ransomware protection. Here is the setting which we want to enable. You need to enable this ransomware protection. If you have installed another virus guard, you can't enable this option. But if you didn't install any of virus guards of your PC, you can enable this option. And also you can enable folder protection from here. Here you can see I have secured my all the folders with this option. Then no one can enable to give you a ransomware attack. So we have successful do a security checkup of our PC. So let's we open our presentation once again and follow next our next steps. So there are so many things you need to do when you realize your account is hacked. You need to turn off your data of your mobile phone, because some of hackers are attacking your data from formatting your phone using Google My Device Finder option. So as soon as you realize your Gmail is hacked, you need to turn off the data of your mobile phone, and you need to remove that account from settings. I will show you how to remove a Google account and how to do when you realize your account is hacked. So you need to turn off your Wi-Fi and mobile data of your phone, then open setting application. Now go to accounts, then go to Google, click remove account, and just remove your account from your phone. Otherwise hacker will format your phone using Google My Device Finder option. Next thing is you need to open your setting application once again like this, then scroll down, and otherwise you can click on the search of your setting. Then you need to search credentials. Here you can see user credential options, then go to that option. Here you can see some of certification have we are already installed. You need to remove all these software credentials like this. You can remove these credential services. So guys, now we have done the things which we want to do in our phone. Also you need to simply check the application which you have already installed on your phone and your PC. Then you need to check the boot start applications, and also you need to remember the way which you think your account is got hacked, and you need to fix the problems in relating to that options. So now we are going to move to the recovering process of our lost Google account. Now we all have a problem. Is it possible to recover hacked Gmail or YouTube account when we don't have any of method to log into that account? Simple answer for that question is yes. Here you can see I have had a great communication with Team YouTube and Team Google. Then I was able to recover my account. So my next topic is how to contact Google and how to get a reply from them. As you already know, you can't contact Google. Google doesn't give any of ways to contact them. Let's we need to contact Team YouTube from Twitter. If you doesn't have a Twitter account, you need to create an account and find Team YouTube from Twitter. Here is the way of finding Team YouTube from Twitter. Log into Twitter, search like this, Team YouTube. Click here, search Team YouTube. Then go to this verified Team YouTube web page account of Twitter. Then you need to start a great communication with them. You need to send the screenshot which relating to the case, how is loosen the access of your account, and what are the problems now you are facing. Likewise, you need to tell them how is your you lost the access of your account. Then they will send Google account recovery forum link. You should follow those steps one by one and try to recover your account. If it doesn't help, you need to tell them it is not helpful because your account is hijacked and hacker changed everything of your account. Then they will ask you a contact mail which they can work with recovering of your Gmail account. Give them a working and official mail which owns to you. If you can give them your original recovery mail address as your contact mail is better. Otherwise you can give any of mail address which owns to you. Here you can see I have started chat with them, and also I have sent all the screenshots which I have, but I am not providing any of screenshots and any of things which I explained to Team YouTube in here. However, they will send me a link with which I need to fill out, with a form which I need to fill out within 72 hours. So you need to get a new web browser. If you use Google Chrome as your default web browser, you need to use you can use Microsoft Edge as Edge for this process. Then you need to copy that link which they send to you. You can copy that link from right clicking on that link. Then you need to enter this browser, and you need to log into your Google account from this web browser which you already gives to them as your contact mail. Otherwise you won't be able to open that form. So you need to paste that link in here, and you need to go through that link. When you have completed that process, you can able to fill out this form. Here's the screenshot which you want to send them. I already explained about that screenshots. So here's the form which we want to fill. It's you need to fill out 40 plus questions in here. You need to answer those questions in your own self. I'm not going to providing any of questions or answers here, but you must remember these things. You don't tell stories to them, and also you need to support you need to supply all the facts and figures with correct data. You need to be gentle, don't argue with them. You need to patient until get a reply from them. They have lots of works to do. You need patiently wait until they will reply your mail. After filling out this 41st questions paper, they will send a mail like this. Here you can see, thanks for bring this to our attention. We can imagine how worried. Likewise, you can see this mail. That mail will inform you. They will send your problem to Google agent, which is specialized to recovering hijacked account from hackers. So additionally, they will send you more 14 plus questions. You need to answer the questions. You need to open a Word document, and you need to copy that questions one by one and answer those questions from following these steps. Here is the question, and here is your answer. Here is the second question. Here is your answer. Likewise, you need to give them your answer as best as you can. You need to previous guide, follow the previous guide, and also you need to attach all screenshot which you have in relating to your YouTube or Google account. If you have the screenshot of your YouTube studio, is better to upload in here. So you need to explain which are the things hacker done to your account, how is loosen your account. Likewise, you need to explain everything. Always you must try to give them the best and correct answer. If you don't know about anything, and if you don't know about most of details, like how to find your latest YouTube video ID, likewise you need to find those things from searching YouTube or Google. Simply you can find these details and give them correct answer, and you can recover your account simply. This is the last step and last form which you want to fill out to recover your account. Here you can see again YouTube team will send a mail. They will tell you they are working on recovering your account. When it came to here, you must stay in alert to your Google Mail. So then they will send your account recovery mail into your recovery mail address. It is not the address which we contact Google and YouTube support. It is this mail will receive into your recovery mail address which you already added to your previous hijacked Google account. So you need to stay alert on that recovery in Gmail inbox, and you can receive this mail. Then you can go to your hijacked account from clicking this link. It's on the Sinhala language. I can't convert it because it's Google send me as this, so you can see it's on the Sinhala, so I can't convert it to English, but you can recover your account from clicking here. They will disable your all the recovery steps when you receive this mail, and also you can create a new password after clicking this option. After successful recovering your account, they will ask you additional questions. You need to answer that questions too, because otherwise if they think you are not the true owner of the account, they will disable access of your account once again. So you need to answer these additional questions which they asking you after in recovering your account. So you need to stay in alert of your contact mail. Here we have successfully recovered our hijacked account. So you can read this mail from pausing this video. So after recovering our account, what we can do? Here is the things we need to do after successful recovering our account. You need to do these steps as fast as you can after you recovering your hijacked Gmail account. So let's see how to do these steps. First, you need to create a strongest password, like you need to mix simple and capital letters, and also you need to symbols and numbers to your password. You need to create that kind of good and strongest password to your account, and also you need to log into your Google account. Then you can see your Gmail like this. Then click here. Now go to manage your Google account option. Then you can read this page. Then go to security options. Then scroll down and go to recovery phone and recovery mail, or otherwise you need to go to two-step verification options. Just click here. Then click on get started option. Now enter your new password here. Click on next. Now enter your new recovery phone, and you need to remove hacker's phone number from here. Then click next. Then you need to enter the verification code which sent by the Google to your phone. Now click next. Now click on turn on. Now you have added your phone number as your recovery phone. Now you need to again create backup codes to your account. Here is the backup codes which I have generated. Now click again get new codes. Now you created new backup codes. Now you can download or print these codes from here. I'm not going to download or print these codes because I have them. And also you need to set up your Google Authenticator application. You need to definitely do these steps. You need to set up your Google Authenticator application, because otherwise hacker may be logging again to your account using his Google Authenticator application. So definitely you need to set up Google Authenticator application. You can download this application to your phone from Google Play Store. Then you can set up simply. There are simple steps to set up this application. And also you can add a backup phone and security key to your account. So you can revoke all other devices from clicking here. So that's all. Now we have successfully recovered our account. And also you can do a simple security check to your account. Now go to your personal info and check your name, birthday and gender. Hacker may be change these things. And also you need to go to other options one by one and check whether if that hacker's details are still on your account or not. You need to go to these options one by one and check your account once again. If it necessary, if you think it's necessary to change your password with a trusted device, you can change your password once again. And also you can check the devices which you have logged to your account from here. You can manage your devices and you can remove them. So that's all. So I think you may got something about from my video. So we are going to stop this video. Thank you all for watching this video. I am Pawan from Virtual Tech World. Stay safe, stay with us, stay in alert from enabling notification of our channel. Thank you all again for watching this video.
Thank you.